Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ki President ki wafam asi athubada loisilagani. Luraba COVID ki matam asida laina asibu thengnana ba hotnaba ki mahutta lengak asi makha chathanaba oina BJP na khanduna leire haina Aicc ki Manipur ki Incharge Bhakta Charan na phongdokre. Wafam asing asi BT Rota leiba Congress Bhavan ki Risang Kaising Media Center da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada phongdokhibani. Paugi mifam adu da CLP leader o Ibobi Congress Working Committee CWC ki member Khangam, MLA M. Megasandra, General Secretary Administration, Haresor Gosami Yauna, MPCC ki maru eba miyoy kayana saruk yake. Bhakta Charan na makhatara duna. Hauzik oiriba party asigi manungi oiba wafam asigi matangda leader sing unaduna wari sanare makhatana su sanakigani. Party asigi president ki matang asi athubada loisilagani. Ngarang pangthokiba CLP gi mifam aduda hauzik oiriba political gi phibam yauna lakadoriba mikhal asigi matangda yamna kupna khananai nakhrei mifam aduda CLP gi member tarani thogi mathakta saruk yakhi lakadoriba mikhal asiga mari leinana party asina roadmap ama semduna thengnana ba sem sare nakalamaromda hauzik pali balenga asina covid ki waraba matam asida miyam gi punsingak senana ba hotnadre amadi senaba sungamdre matik chaba thabak laukhattabana nongmada miyoy lising ama mathakta COVID positive oire masida natana sibiki chang asuki matik wanglei handaki nongma nini asda nongma da mioi tara manga dagina tara taret phawba sibiki record leire mangjaunana akanba section thorang lakhat haudraga naba amadi sibiki chang heleba matam asida total curfew thamduna miyambu amuka hena awaba ama oihalle health ki in charge su oiriba chief minister na laina asinga thoknaba sinbagi mahutta mahaki lenga kasi soidanaba amadi makha tanaba haidana mai onsinduna leire Phibam luraba tanpham asda COVID ki saitheng phanglaba imung kayagi hingnanabagi lengaki oiba mateng pangbagi wafam ngasi phawba haudokpa leitre financial package amata lakthokpagi mami udri yamna luraba matam asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na ehenba mityeng changdana leiriba asi angakapo I haiki
I express our deep concern of Aicc and we stand by the people. Our party in Manipur has done their best. Our MLAs in their respective constituency and nearby constituency, they have done their best. Many of them have given ambulances to the district hospitals and aid in kind of cash and in term of material, food material, mask have been distributed in many parts of the state. And we as a party, we have tried to do our best. Had there not been the lockdown situation or curfew situation, the party would have been able to do some more services to the people, the voluntary services to the people, in educating them and distributing relief to them. And BJP believes in this kind of politics. They are not busy in managing the COVID or serving the people of Manipur. They are busy in remaining in the government. So they can do or they can go up to the extent of they are illegal in the government, they don't have majority. They don't have constitutional right to sit in power even for a day. They had no right to appoint 12 MLAs, those who were, parliamentary secretaries. No right to appoint these 12 parliamentary secretaries. But they have appointed.
Paugi mifam adugi khudong chaba lauraduna Bhakta Charan na makataraduna hauzik chathariba parliament ki nungzu mifam asida Prime Minister na Pegasus ki matangda house da mahaki oiba wafam thamdana leiriba asi laibak thibani hiram asigi matangda IT Minister amadi Prime Minister na karigi tumina leiribano white paper ama athubada puthokadabani nakalamaramda thokleba wathok asigi matangda judicial inquiry ama chathaduna asengba asuma puthokadabani India ki constitution bu ikai khumnagadabani haina makhata
Without judicial proof, judicial inquiry, there would not be satisfaction. The honest report will not come out. That's why we demand a judicial inquiry. We want a high-level independent investigation to find out and expose who benefited from Pegasus and for whom Pegasus snooping was done in India, and why and how Prime Minister did not block Pegasus snooping in our nation. It's a very vital question. When an ordinary Indian is not safe within its own privacy, how can digital India be safe? How can India be safe?